Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 12 Priestfield Maltings in Pitlessie. This is a well presented, really spacious 2-bedroom ground floor flat benefiting from modern kitchen, large contemporary modern shower room, 2 bedrooms, both with ample storage, a large living dining space that has patio doors that leads you out into this private enclosed garden that is actually south facing, so it's an absolute sun trap, and you'll see that today because we've got a gorgeous day. What's also brilliant with this property is you get 2 allocated parking spaces, as well the views that you get from this property. The views to the front are countryside and completely uninterrupted. Such an idyllic location as well, this property, because you're getting village lifestyle but still close to all of your amenities and commuting links. So this property is not to be missed. I'm going to take you on the tour, show you everything that's on offer, talk you through the location in more detail, and keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your outdoor garden space, completely in private, enclosed. Got a patio area just there, and that's perfect for some outdoor furniture. Just sit and enjoy the sun, because you can see it just now. We're sitting perfectly in the sun. You've got all these mature shrubs and plants. So the garden does go way back, but you've obviously got these borders. You've got plenty of space for a drying area, and there's further mature shrubs and plants behind. You've got a further border area, so you could easily do some decking out here if you wish, but isn't it just lovely having the roses for a pop of colour? But you could easily do some decking, and what's great as well is you do have an access gate there, so you've got your bin storage. You can obviously get round to your parking spaces. But this is your garden area, which is a brilliant addition. Now that is one of your bedroom windows, and then this is into your living room space, so we will head in. But isn't this just fab? Now, towards the end of the video, I will show you access into the property and what the front looks like, but I just had to start in the garden so you could see the sun trap that it is. But you come through into your living room space. So you can see you've got ample space for all of your living room and dining room furniture. It's lovely and bright as well. As you can see, you've already got, obviously, the light fixture just there, so perfect round table in that position. It's such a great size. You really are spoilt with just how much living space you get with this property. And what's great is you just look directly onto your garden. So you can just imagine the patio doors open. And you do have a dining room area just here. If you don't require a dining area, that would make a perfect working from home space. You could get a desk in that area and work from home if you wish. But you come through, as I say, into your modern fitted kitchen. So you've got ample cabinet and worktop spaces. Lovely and neutral as well, so it's just ready for you to come in and put your own stamp on it. You've got a integrated oven and hob, and then area for your freestanding appliances. That window just looks out to the main entrance of the property, so you'll see that shortly. But that is your kitchen area. We then come through into your entrance hallway. So great entrance hallway, really spacious. But we're going to start in one of your bedrooms. So this brings you through into one of your bedrooms. Again, great size, easily fit a double or king in this space. You have, obviously, that was the one window that looks into your garden at the rear. And then that is the front of the property. And then, as I say, that is your countryside view. So you can see right over the hills. So that is at the front. And then what's great is you've got ample storage. So both of those cupboards are storage space. So again, spoilt with that. Back out into your entrance hallway. And then you come through into your modern fitted shower room. Great size room. Obviously, you've got that large walk-in electric shower. You could easily have a bath fitted in here if you prefer. But isn't this just fab? Modern, contemporary. You've got your WC wash hand basin. And you've got space just on the top here, or even the shelf behind for storage as well. But so much floor space with this bathroom, and then just your heated towel rail. So you probably weren't expecting to have such a big shower room. But then you come into your second bedroom. Again, a great size. So you've got plenty of space for your bedroom furniture, and again, fitted wardrobes with your sliding double doors. And then again, just the outlook over the front, and you can just see the treetops and then cut through there. So you can just imagine when the farmer just trims the top, you'll get a view right across. And then before we head out and show you the rest of the property from the front, this is further storage in here as well. It does house the water tank, but you've still got plenty of storage in there. So you really are spoilt with the size and space of this property. But this is perfect. And then I'll show you the entrance. So you've got your secure entrance into the building. So this is your main door. And then what's great is you do have access if you want to get to the front. If you want to just nip straight across out for a walk, you don't have to go around, you can go out that way. Even if you want to go to the village inn for a meal perhaps, you can just nip out that way. So then that is the entrance to your property. Ground floor, so you're literally straight in, out of the parking area, in through this door. So that's how direct we are. But don't forget you do also have access at the rear. So this is the entrance into the property, and I'm just going to show you exactly where you can park. So you can see where my vehicle is just there, so you have that space and another for 2 private parking spaces. So that is perfect, and then you just head out that way around the corner and you are onto the main road. So great having that addition obviously for parking. As I say, this is the entrance into the building. So let's head back inside and we will do a recap of the property. So I'll meet you inside. That was the personal property tour for 12 Priestfield, Maltings, Pitlessie. As you have just seen, you're getting a really spacious 2-bedroom ground floor flat, benefiting from that large open plan living dining space, also ideal if you need working from home area, your modern fitted kitchen, that generous sized contemporary shower room, 2 great sized double bedrooms with ample storage, further storage in the hallway, and then what's fantastic is you get to step through those patio doors that bring you out into this completely private sun trap of a garden, while also benefiting from 2 private allocated parking spaces, while being situated in an idyllic village setting. You've got the village inn just around the corner if you're looking for evening meals. Also, if you require schooling as well, there's Pitlessie Primary School. You're also in the catchment for Belbaxter High School within Cupar. Cupar is just over 4 miles away, so close proximity. You've got cafes, shops, doctors, dentists. You've also got Cupar Train Station for commuting. But what's great with Pitlessie is just again around the corner is you have a bus stop. So direct commuting to St Andrews, Edinburgh, Dundee and beyond. But again, you can also take a short drive to further amenities within Ladybank, where again there's a further train station, a butcher's, a shop and a doctor's. So you're getting everything with a close proximity while getting a village lifestyle, beautiful countryside walks and this fantastic property, which really is not to be missed. So if you'd like to get further details, click the link, message me directly or call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties.